Discord is a great way to stay in touch with friends and fellow gamers, but did you know you can change your bio on the Discord mobile app? In this video I will show you how to edit your bio so people can learn more about you. Whether you want to update your status, list your favorite games, or just share a little bit about yourself, in this video I will show you how to do it. To get started, first open up the Discord mobile application. Tap on three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Now we should open main settings. To do this, just tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From settings section, select third option, user profile, and you'll be able to see information about me. Just tap on here on any place of the screen here and just write something about you or about your favorite games, wherever you want it. When you finish, tap on save at the top right corner of the screen, then tap on overview, just go back and use your Discord app. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.